Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I've been using the Poco F2 Pro for about a week now, and I just want to go over it, give you my likes and dislikes about the phone so far. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, I'm gonna just do a discussion video about the Poco F2 Pro. I've been using it for about a week now, so I just want to give you my thoughts about it for using it for a little bit. In this video, I'm gonna just discuss a couple things I don't like about the phone, and then some things that I know people will complain that it doesn't have, and then I'm gonna go over the things that this phone does really good. But first thing, check out that theme and look, yeah, look at that. Look, there's my favorite button. You change that accent button and you got me wrapped. Change it a different color. Yeah, now I'm good to go. So let's get the things that I dislike about it, or the things that I know people will complain out the way first. The phone does not have wireless charging. So if you need a phone that has wireless charging, then this phone is not for you. Also, it doesn't have any type of water resistance or IP like 68 rating or something, 67. So if you want to go take a swim or use your phone in the shower, I don't know why you would do that, but this phone will not be for you. One other thing that I have a gripe about is right now, I know more cases will come out, and I know it's nitpicking, but there's not many cases. The case that comes with is okay, but you know, you want more cases than just one case. I know Rinky is making one because I reached out to him, but they just, at the release of this phone, there's just not many cases out there. So that's one complaint I have. Another complaint is just this down fine speaker. I mean, it sounds okay, but why not have stereo speakers like your counterpart? I believe the F1 was dual speakers and this one is not. So I don't know why they went backwards on that. Also, what somebody's going to complain about is the refresh rate. To me, I don't really care, but it's only 60 hertz. It's not 90 or 120. Is that a deal breaker for you? Let me know in the comments. Let's get a discussion going. So that was some gripes I have about the phone. If you have any more, let me know in the comments too. Let's get into the things I do like about it. First thing I want to talk about is the 6.6 inch display here. Actually, I think it's 6.67 inch display. Look at that. It is just gorgeous. Also, as you can see in this video here, when you're watching YouTube videos, it looks amazing. The colors are really good. Everything. The video does not show the true colors of the display. It does not give it justice, but the display on here is really great. And look, right now, I don't even have it at the brightest level that you can turn it to, and it looks amazing. In the sunlight, it gets really bright. You can turn it on and I can see it. I don't have any problems. Trust me, I've been doing camera comparisons outside and I can see what I'm taking a picture of. So the display is definitely a go. Overall, with the Snapdragon 865 processor, the 6 gigs of RAM, the 128 gigs of storage, this thing runs really good. It can handle games, which I will be making a gaming review really soon. It runs smooth. I haven't had any lag, hiccups, nothing about this phone. You can say that it will lag or anything. The skin on this phone, the MIUI, does take a little bit of time to get used to, but it's definitely not that bad. It's actually pretty good. And then you can theme it out too. There's many different themes you can pick on here. If I want my phone to look like a pixel, I can make it look like a pixel. I mean, it's just... Watch this. Look at that lock screen. It works great. The MIUI is great. I have no problem with it. Yes, it does take a little bit of time to get used to. Also, I just want to show you, since I did it, the fingerprint scanner works great. So the next thing I want to talk about is the face unlock, but on this theme, it actually does not work for whatever reason. So I'm gonna go back. And you can see all the themes I have. I have like 15. But I'm gonna just pick a class. I'm gonna pick this one here. All right, so when you have it here, if you put it to the lock screen, It doesn't automatically pop up the camera, which is a good thing, but also it's a bad thing because then you have to take an extra swipe and it unlocks the phone. And it unlocks it pretty quick too. To be honest, I might do that maybe once or twice a day, if that, if I even use the face unlock. The fingerprint scanner works just great for me. The next thing I want to talk about is the cameras. The cameras are really good. I don't have a problem with the cameras. Could it be better during low light scenarios? Yes. Again, this hasn't had any updates. Will they update the phone? Yes. Xiaomi will update this phone. They have always been. They update their Poco lines. They update their phones a lot. But to me, the cameras, the pictures, the video that you get with this phone comes out really good, as you could tell with the photos that I just showed you. Had no problems with the photos, to be honest. The next thing I want to talk about is the overall battery life on here. I probably already released my battery life video, my discussion, and if you haven't seen that, I will link it to the top right now. But the battery life is amazing. I mean, it's just awesome. I've been getting between 9 and 18 minutes, 9 hours and 18 minutes of screen on time. The day before, a couple days before that, it was like 8 hours and 39 minutes of screen on time, and then about 36 hours off the charge. For me, those type of battery numbers just doesn't happen very often. And I went through many phones, and I have many phones, and those type of numbers don't happen very often. Maybe the LG V60, but nothing much after that. If you're looking to pick up this phone, I don't think you have a problem with the battery life. The next thing I want to talk about is the overall experience with the phone, using it as a phone. Great, the speakerphone, my kids can hear me, taking pictures, great, texting, nice and easy. The keyboard, I'm using Gboard on it, so it works out great. So the overall experience as a phone is good. The headphone jack is actually really good too. I mean, it's not no LG V60 DAC, but it works. It's definitely good. All right, before I wrap up this video, the last thing I want to talk about is the overall build quality of this phone. Look at it. $499 you can get this phone for, and the build quality is like $1,000 phone. Most people say, why do I have to spend $1,400 on a phone? Shout out to Android Stud. He said he doesn't like spending $1,000 on a phone. With this phone here, there's no reason to. I mean, it is built like my $1,000 S20 Ultra, my $1,400 S20 Ultra. This is built like my LG V60. Just a beautiful looking phone. So the overall build quality is definitely a win, and definitely what I like about the phone too. All right, to wrap this video up, I'm enjoying my experience with the phone. I don't have many complaints about it so far. Stay tuned to the channel. I will have more videos coming up. Y'all let me know. Let's get a discussion going. If you have this phone, do you have any gripes about it? And if you don't think you're going to pick it up, let me know the reason why. Let's get a discussion going. I love talking to everyone in the comments. Yes, I will leave comments there most of the time. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more coverage on the Poco F2 Pro. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.